Hello everyone. I'm reaching out today with a quick, unedited video because we want to get this important message to you as soon as possible. Now, first and most importantly, we're here for you. Our investment team is closely monitoring client accounts and we're actively discussing changes, if and maybe when they may be needed. Many of you have heard me say this, that one of the reasons we manage money, do our professional money management here in-house for a lot of our client accounts, is to be proactive when needed. And right now is one of those times. Our top priority is protecting you, your family, and your financial future, especially during uncertain times like these. Now, nearly 7 years ago, we started doing these monthly videos, right? Our goal was to keep you informed on a monthly basis, things impacting your finances, your investments, keeping you up to date on our thoughts. And now more than ever, we know you have questions and concerns, and we want to reach out to you directly today. So last week, the US stock market experienced its sharpest decline since March of 2020. The S&P 500 finished down more than 9% last week and is now down about 17% below its recent record high, following the announcement of new tariffs and retaliation from key trading partners. So until now, the US economy has remained in a strong position, but the uncertainty with these tariffs could add to inflation pressures in the months ahead. Now, we understand how unsettling this can feel for you. It's completely normal to feel uneasy when headlines are alarming and markets react like they did last week. Please know, you're not alone. It's okay to feel anxious. These emotions are natural, and we are here to help guide you through them. Your financial plan, well, it was built with times like these in mind. Remember that. It was carefully designed to withstand both the good and the challenging times. So while we can't control the markets, we can't control the news, what we can control is how do we respond today. History has shown that patience and discipline during periods of volatility have consistently been rewarded. So even after this recent decline, the S&P 500 has still averaged a return of over 17% over the last 5 years. Think about this. Through the end of last Friday, averaging over 17% still. So if you're feeling worried, or even if you just want to talk, we're here. Sometimes just hearing that reassuring voice can make a world of difference. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here. Thank you for trusting us to walk beside you, not just during times when the market's calm, but really especially during tougher times like today. So this is why, and really what a true partnership means. We also know there's a lot of information to process, right? Which is why we can't talk about it in 3-minute video. So we're going to host a live webinar to share more about what we're seeing, what we're thinking, and how we're going to navigate this together. So during this webinar, we are going to spend about 30 minutes covering a lot of topics. We're going to talk about our current thoughts and perspectives. We're going to talk about key items that we're not hearing on the news, but things that we're talking to economists and managers about. We're going to look back at how the markets reacted the first time Trump did these tariffs back in 2018 and 19. And most importantly, a reminder of that big picture. So you can choose from 3 available times that we have. The message is going to be the same each time, so don't feel like you have to listen to all of them. Tuesday, we're going to do it at 5 p.m. Central. Wednesday, 12:30 p.m. Central. And Thursday, 12 p.m. Central. So please note, these webinars are not going to be recorded, so we encourage you to attend live. Links for each session are going to be in the email sent out to you today. Now again, we are in this together. Having an advisor team means more than just managing your money. It means being a steady hand and really, in my opinion, a trusted partner, especially during times that feel most uncertain. We look forward to you joining one of our webinars.